First, easy installation. No professional tools are required. A roll of tape or a tube of glue can do it, and DIY users can also easily get started. Second, texture and beauty. The product thickness is 1 mm, and the 3D stereoscopic effect is strong, which enhances the layering of wall decoration and creates a modern and fashionable home atmosphere. Third, easy to clean. The surface is stain-resistant, and daily cleaning only requires a gentle wipe to reduce maintenance troubles. Fourth, lightweight design. Compared with traditional wall decoration materials, 3D PVC wall panel is light in weight, quick to install, and suitable for a variety of wall types. Fifth, DIY. The surface can be DIY spray painted with oil-based paint to create a personalized interior decoration style. Follow me to share more new interior decoration products.